The shocking truth about your favorite drinks. Hey guys, Dr. Mike here, and let's talk milk. We all know it's important for strong bones and a healthy body, but with so many different types of milk lining the supermarket shelves these days, it can be seriously confusing to figure out which one is right for you. Are you reaching for the almond milk because you heard it's low in calories? Or maybe you're sticking with the traditional cow's milk. The truth is, each type of milk has its own unique set of benefits and drawbacks. Some are naturally packed with protein, while others are fortified with essential vitamins and minerals. Today, we're diving deep into the world of milk, separating the facts from the myths, and giving you all the information you need to make the healthiest choice for your body. Let's get started. Let's start with the OG milk, cow's milk. It's been a dietary staple for centuries and for good reason. Cow's milk is a powerhouse of nutrients, naturally rich in protein, calcium, and vitamin D, all essential for building strong bones, teeth, and muscles. But before you grab that gallon of full fat, there are a few things you should know. While cow's milk is packed with nutrients, it also contains lactose, a natural sugar that many people have trouble digesting, leading to bloating, gas, and discomfort. Recent studies have suggested a potential link between high consumption of cow's milk and an increased risk of certain cancers, like prostate cancer. If you can tolerate lactose and enjoy cow's milk in moderation, it can be a nutritious part of a balanced diet. However, if you're lactose intolerant, watching your fat intake, or concerned about the potential health risks, exploring plant-based alternatives might be a good idea. Next up, we have goat milk, often touted as a gentler alternative to cow's milk. And it's true, goat milk is generally easier to digest than cow's milk, thanks to its smaller fat molecules and different protein structure. It also contains slightly less lactose than cow's milk, making it a viable option for some people with lactose intolerance. Goat milk is also naturally rich in nutrients like calcium, potassium, and vitamin A, making it a nourishing choice for those who can tolerate it. But here's the catch. Goat milk can still trigger allergies, even in people who don't react to cow's milk. So, if you're thinking of making the switch, it's crucial to do a trial run first to see how your body reacts. Moving on to sheep milk, a less common but equally fascinating option. Sheep milk is a nutritional powerhouse, boasting even higher levels of protein and calcium than cow's milk, making it a fantastic choice for supporting bone health and muscle growth. It's also rich in vitamins B12 and A, essential for maintaining healthy red blood cells, vision, and a robust immune system. But before you swap out your morning cereal milk, there's a catch. Sheep milk is naturally higher in fat and calories than both cow's and goat's milk. If you're looking for a nutrient-dense milk alternative and don't mind the extra fat and calories, sheep milk could be a good fit. Let's talk about buffalo milk, a type of milk that's gaining popularity for its rich, creamy texture and impressive nutritional profile. Buffalo milk packs a whopping punch of protein, even more than cow's milk, making it a favorite among athletes and those looking to build muscle mass. It's also naturally lower in cholesterol than cow's milk, and contains higher levels of calcium and phosphorus, essential minerals for strong bones and teeth. But here's the thing, buffalo milk is not for the faint of heart. It's significantly higher in fat than cow's milk, with a fat content of around 7 to 8%, compared to 3 to 4% in whole cow's milk. This high fat content can make it harder to digest, especially for those with sensitive stomachs. If you're looking for a rich, creamy milk alternative with a hefty dose of protein and don't mind the extra fat, buffalo milk could be worth exploring. Now let's journey to the desert and explore camel milk, an exotic and increasingly sought-after milk alternative. Camel milk has been a staple in nomadic cultures for centuries, prized for its unique taste and impressive health benefits. It's naturally lower in fat than cow's milk and boasts an impressive amount of vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that supports a healthy immune system and protects against cell damage. Camel milk is also a good source of iron, potassium, and several B vitamins, making it a nutrient-rich choice for those who can access it. But here's the catch. Camel milk is not easy to come by. It's significantly more expensive than cow's milk, and often difficult to find in mainstream supermarkets. If you're looking for a unique, nutrient-rich milk alternative, and don't mind the price tag or the acquired taste, camel milk could be an interesting option to explore. Let's dive into the world of plant-based milk with soy milk, a popular alternative to cow's milk. Soy milk is made from soybeans, rich in protein, making it great for vegans and vegetarians. It's cholesterol-free and low in saturated fat, a heart-healthy choice. However, soy milk's phytoestrogen content is controversial. Phytoestrogens mimic estrogen in the body. Some studies suggest benefits, while others raise concerns about hormone balance. If you enjoy soy milk without issues, it can be nutritious. If you have concerns, consult your doctor or a dietitian. Next up, we have almond milk, a popular choice for its subtly sweet flavor and low calorie count. Almond milk is made by blending almonds with water and straining the mixture, resulting in a creamy, nutty beverage that's naturally low in calories and fat. It's also a good source of vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that protects cells from damage. However, almond milk has one major drawback. It's very low in protein. A 1-cup serving of unsweetened almond milk typically contains only 1 gram of protein, compared to 8 grams in cow's milk. Additionally, many commercially available almond milk brands contain added sugars to enhance flavor, so it's crucial to read labels carefully and choose unsweetened varieties whenever possible. If you're watching your calorie intake and enjoy the taste, almond milk can be a refreshing and nutritious beverage. However, it's essential to be mindful of its low protein content and choose unsweetened varieties to avoid added sugars. Let's explore oat milk, a plant-based milk alternative gaining popularity for its creamy texture and subtly sweet flavor. Oat milk is made from soaked and blended oats, resulting in a smooth, versatile beverage free of dairy, lactose, nuts, and soy. One standout benefit is its heart-healthy properties. Oats are a good source of beta-glucans, which lower cholesterol and reduce heart disease risk. However, oat milk can be a sneaky source of added sugars. Many brands sweeten their oat milk, so read labels carefully and choose unsweetened varieties. For a heart-healthy, plant-based milk alternative, oat milk is a great choice. Just be sure to choose unsweetened varieties and watch its carbohydrate content. Let's head to the tropics and explore coconut milk, a creamy, flavorful milk alternative that's become increasingly popular in recent years. Coconut milk is made from the grated flesh of mature coconuts, resulting in a rich, naturally sweet beverage that's packed with flavor. One of the key benefits of coconut milk is its high content of medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, a type of saturated fat that's easily digested and used for energy. MCTs have been linked to several health benefits, including weight loss, improved brain function, and reduced inflammation. However, coconut milk is also high in saturated fat, which has been linked to increased cholesterol levels and heart disease risk. If you enjoy its rich flavor and creamy texture and are looking for a plant-based milk alternative, coconut milk can be enjoyed in moderation as part of a balanced diet. However, be mindful of its saturated fat content and choose low-fat varieties whenever possible. Finally, let's talk about rice milk, a hypoallergenic milk alternative that's a great option for those with multiple food allergies or intolerances. Rice milk is made from milled rice that's been blended with water, resulting in a mild-flavored, naturally sweet beverage that's free of dairy, lactose, nuts, soy, and gluten. This makes it a safe choice for people with a wide range of dietary restrictions. Rice milk is also naturally low in fat and cholesterol, making it a heart-healthy choice. However, rice milk is very low in protein and other essential nutrients, making it a nutritional lightweight compared to some other milk alternatives. It's also often high in carbohydrates, which can be a concern for those watching their blood sugar levels. If you have multiple food allergies or intolerances and are looking for a safe and easily digestible milk alternative, rice milk can be a good option. However, be aware of its low nutritional value and choose fortified varieties whenever possible to boost its nutrient content. The milk verdict. Choose what's right for you. So, there you have it. A deep dive into the world of milk, from the classic cow's milk to the exotic camel milk and everything in between. As you can see, each type of milk has its own unique set of benefits and drawbacks. The best choice for you depends on your individual needs, preferences, and health goals. Consider your dietary restrictions, nutritional needs, taste preferences, and any health concerns you may have. Don't be afraid to experiment with different types of milk to find the ones you enjoy the most and that fit best into your lifestyle. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more videos on how to live a healthier, happier life.